I'll tell you what, I fucked up. Bought this really big fucking rotto fucking veal steak. And they're terrible. I didn't feel like you ate anything. But I got the meat off it. And it was too cold. I thought I'd try different things for Mackey's this time, but I thought, fuck it. I didn't even go, I ordered it. Like 2 minutes down the lane. Right, lazy bastard, he was a legendary gentleman, geezer. Legendary bloke, like. Cool as fuck. And, tried the mock plant. It's actually pretty nice. I thought, oh yeah, I didn't make that. I remember I just got a crispy chicken. I thought I'd try the crispy chicken as well, because I thought, you know, I'm hungry. Nah. I bought some veggie dippers instead of chips. I know that'd be different from having two cheese bites as well. I usually got 4 cheese bites. I usually just got 2 4 chili beans. You got 8. That one. I should have done that with veggie dippers as well. And you get 4 of them. But they are quite substantial. That's that big fucking donut. Barbecue. Okay, good. Got good net. Do it all capital, full stop. I usually do it in just plain English. No, not just complicate things. Otherwise, I'm just a part between bus and train. Follow path along the bus and turn that second one on and off. Red door. Somebody said to me, thankfully, that was well handy because I didn't put that. Didn't think that was worth even putting anymore. Mate, people really struggle finding the blade. It's worth putting in my situation. Because my front door looks like a back door. Especially when it's night time. And it's just a bush. People not really sure how you even get into there. Can't really make out if there is a path in there. That's sweet. Oh mate, they refunded me money for the tank. Gutted about that. When they shouldn't have had to, he did that, even without me responding to him, to say, no, whether or not I could make it today. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the mental asylum. Give them a piece of my mind again, because they've stolen my fucking tank off me. They sent it there. They sent it there, and they've like, oh no, we don't have that. It's a crispy chicken. I've never had it, but it looks very delicious. I really like holding it in the worst way. Gone from the worst angle. I think I've got a bit of difficulty with this one because it's not that easy to put in a bun like this. not completely bun-sized. It's kind of like bit comes here, bit comes down. It's kind of hard to fit it. Yeah, I've got a bit of a... Yeah, that might be better. Yeah, there we go. I've eaten loads of them. Like millionaire shortbread, covered in chocolate, flood slices, 3 of them, 4 of them, those in your mouth one. Come, I had one on the way home. No, and when I got back, I was really I just thinking, bah, man, I didn't sound great. The steak didn't quite hit there. It's just the wrong steak. Like, cause it was fried, one part of the veal. Nasty, man. Okay. Tangent a bit. Should have cooked it longer. As well. Dumped the gum. Because it wasn't the best piece of veal, I went for quantity, not quality. I went for the biggest one instead of thinking, yeah. I didn't even have more meat. I could eat that, because that was like hard to eat it. I like bone. Good. Oh. 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 Jesus Christ. I bought like 4 of them. Yeah. Because I got no drink. I got a headache. Don't really like drink. But I am. Oh, really? Oh. WKD cocktails. A blue WKD. Had a bit less blue WKD. Had a few more of these. 2 of these, 1 of these. It got me quite pissed. Fell asleep. Bought another 3. As in another 2 of them cocktail ones and another blue one. Mint. It's drank down easy. But the second time I should have fucking rehydrated. That was a mistake. So I just woken up out of sleep. Got pissed out of sleep. Woke up. And, drank some more, it's giving me a thumping headache. What happens like that for me? Jake, it's like the opposite. Sometimes it just reacts better. No, what it is, I've turned smoked all day, and now I've started smoking weed. And I haven't smoked weed now, I smoke warm weed that I normally do quickly. Very, very quickly. And my tolerance isn't used to that much amount of like nicotine. I've got a thumping headache, migraine. My only thing is that being a chain smoker. So apart from lung cancer, other cancers too. But I've and get a damn bad headache from fucking too much nicotine. I've got a decent reason to ask for codeine. For that reason. I'm prone to fucking migraine. And when I get them, I can't use paracetamol because or aspirin too much because it's not good for me. It gives me a rash, adds to my scarlet fever, and because I've got brain damage, it doesn't affect me much. I need something a bit more of a kick. Yeah. Order me more medication. Apologise to him because I'm a bit nuts at him. He's going to the doctors at one point that I'm a bit nuts. Go clean the paedophile bit back, somebody's got to do it. She wouldn't be good to me, Dr. Vargas. I stood by her, she stood by me. Stood by, we got along with Dr. Cameron as well. She was sound. So, yeah, they're sound. Good lady. Dr. Cameron was a military doctor as well.